The operation was the third targeting Israel, and there will be more, Houthi military spokesperson Yahya Saree said in a televised statement. Saree said the attacks would continue until Israeli aggression stopped, referring to the war against Hamas in the Gaza Strip. With the help of God, our armed forces have launched a large barrage of ballistic and cruise missiles, as well as a significant number of drones at various targets of the Israeli enemy in the occupied territories. The Yemeni armed forces affirm that this operation is the third in support of our oppressed brothers in Palestine. It affirms the continuation of carrying out more qualitative strikes with missiles and drones until the Israeli aggression ceases. After an initial warning of a possible hostile aircraft intrusion, which sent residents of the tourist resort of Eilat running for shelter earlier on Tuesday, the Israeli military had said its systems identified an aerial target approaching Israeli territory. There was no threat or risk to civilians, and the defensive action was successful, it added. There were no reports of any missiles or drones hitting Israeli territory from the Red Sea on Tuesday. Yemen's Houthi leader, Abdel Malek al-Houthi, said on October the 10th that if the United States intervenes in the Gaza conflict directly, the group will respond by firing drones and missiles and take other military options. The Houthis see themselves as part of the so-called Axis of Resistance, which encompasses Iranian-backed Shiite Muslim factions in Iraq and Lebanon's Hezbollah group. The movement has battled Saudi-led coalition since 2015 in a conflict that has killed hundreds of thousands of people. During the fighting, the Houthis targeted strategic assets in the Gulf, most notably energy facilities in Saudi Arabia. Separately, the Israeli military said it used the Arrow aerial defense system for the first time since the 7th of October outbreak of the war with Hamas to intercept a surface-to-surface missile in the Red Sea fired towards its territory. A spokesman told Reuters the two aerial incidents were separate. In the second incident, Israeli fighter jets intercepted other aerial targets, he added. Last week, Israel accused the Houthi movement of sending drones that caused explosions in two Egyptian towns on the Red Sea, saying that they were intended to strike Israel. The Pentagon said on the 19th of October, a US Navy warship intercepted 3 cruise missiles and several drones launched by the Houthi movement from Yemen, potentially towards Israel.